kids! Welcome back to XoraTale. Today, we're going to learn a new letter, the letter P. Are you ready? Let's go! P for pig. Pig. P for pen. Pen. P for pancake. Pancake. P for pencil. Pencil. Let's repeat it again. P for pig. P for pen. P for pancake. P for pencil. P for parrot. Parrot. P for pizza. Pizza. P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. P for pillow. Pillow. Let's repeat it again. P for parrot. P for pizza. P for pumpkin. P for pillow. P for plant. Plant. P for peacock. Peacock. P for plate. Plate. P for pot. Pot. Let's repeat it again. P for plant. P for peacock. P for plate. P for pot. P for police. Police. P for pilot. Pilot. P for princess. Princess. P for pirate. Pirate. Let's repeat it again. P for police. P for pilot. P for princess. P for pirate. P for pink. Pink. P for purple. Purple. P for party. Party. P for park. Park. Let's repeat it again. P for pink. P for purple. P for party. P for park. You've learned the letter P today. Now let's play a fun game. What is this? Yes, P for pig. What is this? That's right, P for pen. Yummy. Can you guess this breakfast food? Yes, P for pancake. Look at the sky. What colorful bird do you see? Exactly, P for parrot. What do we sleep on? Good thinking, P for pillow. Awesome, you got them all right. Let's clap for ourselves. Bye-bye, little learners. See you soon with the next fun letter, letter Q.